Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you next chapter, poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost in class 7th. First we will discuss about poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost was American poet who was born in March 26, 1874 in San Francisco. After death of his father, he moved to with his mother, sister and brother to Lawrence, Massachusetts. He became interested writing, reading in poetry during his high school year. Robert Frost studied his occupation after leaving school, working as a teacher, cobbler and editor. His first poem was published in 1894, My Butterfly, in the New York newspaper, The Independent. In 1895, he got married with Miriam, who inspires him to his work until her death in 1938. Both couple moved to England in 1912 after they tried and failed in farming. Robert Frost got inspirations from British poet Ezra Pound, who helps him to promote and publish his work. At last, he had learned so many things where he had lived. At last, he died in 1963 in Boston. So this was some information about poet. Now we are moving towards central idea of the poem. The poem, The Road Not Taken, is about struggle while making decision in our life. The poet is talking about the difficulty and complicated situations when sometimes it comes before human beings. One day the poet, he was going into the forest. He has seen two roads which is diverted into different directions. The poet was standing at the junctions of two roads, is in dilemma which road he should be choose. The poet, he has seen the one road, it has frequently used, and other one less traveled and grassy. Then poet, he become very confused which road he will select, because the both road were lying and looking in same condition before him in next morning, and it was covered by yellow leaves and grassy. So the poet, now he has choose the second one, and he decided himself that he will walk on the other road in next day. After suffering a long distance, he realized that whatever he has choose that was wrong decision for him. But what he can do? He was thinking that it was the experience of mine that is happen wrong things before him, and he was thinking that whenever we have to be take decision in our life, we should be think once again. Otherwise, it can it can be a major part of your life. Maybe it will be wrong and maybe it will be correct. But as far as the experience of poet, he was telling that before taking decision we have to be analyze, we have to be think once again, and then we have to be choose the decision. So this was the central idea of the poem. The message of the poem, the poet now is telling we should be take precautions while making decision in our life. We should be prepared. No need to be hurry up. Again I am going to tell you rhyming scheme of the poem, that is AB, AA and B. Again I am going to tell you the poetic devices of the poem which is used by poet. First one, metaphor. Now the poet he has done comparison by making choice in her life. Second one, personification, because now he was talking about roads. Third one, repetition. Now it has been used in the poem, means these were some figure of speech which has been used in the poem by poet. So one thing I will tell you, please like, subscribe and share it, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you can get information. Thank you very much.